Hi everyone, this was supposed to be a short video just showing a time lapse of me replacing a thumbstick on a right Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. It was supposed to be a quick, easy job, right until it wasn't, as while taking it apart we noticed that the right button had broken off from where it's soldered to the board, and that needed to be fixed. I resoldered it and also had to resolder the points back onto the pads because the pads had broken. I didn't video it there. Then we put it back together and noticed this ribbon cable had snapped, so I had to replace that slide rail. Once I got all that done, I was able to calibrate the stick and it was working 100%. I also tested the repair I did on the buttons and the rail to make sure that all the buttons were working on the Joy-Con, and they were. Another challenging and difficult repair, but one complete. If you have anything that you need repaired, please get in touch.